Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Emergent AI. First, open your Emergent AI dashboard and select your project. After your project is ready, click on Deploy. On the next screen, click on Start Deployment. Each new deployment costs 50 credits per month. A confirmation window will appear. Click on Deploy Now. The deployment will take around 5 to 7 minutes. Once the deployment is complete, go to the Custom Domain section and click on the link domain. A field will appear where you can type the Namecheap domain you want to connect. After entering your domain, you will be asked to configure your DNS records. You can do this manually by typing the CNAME records in the provided fields. To do this automatically, click on Configure with Entry. A new window will open. Click Continue and then enter your email address. You will receive a verification code. Enter the code to verify your email. After verification, Entry will ask you to authorize access to Namecheap. After the authorization, the connection process will begin. It may take up to 48 hours for everything to fully update and go live. When the setup is complete, your project will be live on your Namecheap domain.